Hello students, welcome back to another virtual class of SS. Today in this video we are going to study about another European explorer, Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan, he was a Portuguese and born explorer and navigator who undertook sailing expeditions on behalf of Spain. Means he was a Portuguese person and he was also explorer and navigator. Navigator is a person who navigates the things, who find the new routes. And he undertook sailing expeditions on behalf of Spain. So on behalf of the Spain, he had done this expedition. Expedition, the meaning of expedition is an organized journey for a particular purpose. Means a journey which is done for a particular task, especially to an unfamiliar place. Means a journey which is done for a new place. Unfamiliar place means a new place which we don't know. For that place a journey is done and for some work it was done. So he has done this expedition on behalf of Spain. On behalf of Spain means for the Spain he has done this journey. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan set out to sail around the world with 5 ships. He has come out for the expedition with the 5 ships. He sailed south across the Atlantic and sailed around the world, and in the November 1520 into the Pacific Ocean through the strait that is now named after him, Strait of Magellan. So he sailed south across the Atlantic Ocean. He started his journey and he sailed across the ocean and in the south, and in the November 1520, here you can see that it was given to us that Magellan set sail with 5 ships in 1519, and in 1520 he has came up to the southern part of America. Here he has reached and he has crossed this ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and he went towards the Pacific Ocean and through the strait, and this strait, this place is named after him, known as the Strait of Magellan. Now what is the meaning of strait? Strait means a narrow body of water that connects 2 large water bodies. Here strait means a narrow body of water. From the very small place here water is passing and it is connecting the 2 large water bodies. Means it was connecting the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean here, and here the small portion of water was passing. So it was known as a strait. So he has passed through this place and he has found this place, so it was named after him, Strait of Magellan. Then Magellan was able to reach only till the Philippines. He has reached up to the Philippines only, and in this Philippines he was killed in a battle with the natives. Here he was killed with the battle with the natives people. Native means the people, those who are living in a particular country or area by birth only. Means that is their native place. From there they had taken the birth and they are living there only. So that was their native place. So Philippines people of that place, they had killed Ferdinand Magellan, and then after his death, his deputy, another person was there, his deputy, another main soldier was there, main navigator was there, Juan Sebastian Elcano. He has returned to Spain. See here he was killed, and then after he returned back, Juan Sebastian Elcano, he returned back to the Spain with a huge quantity of gloves. But he came only with 1 ship. They had started their expedition with the 5 ships. When his expedition returned back That time it was with only one ship. This was the first successful circumnavigation of the world, and that time this full circumnavigation of the world was done and it was completed at that time. Circumnavigation, the meaning of circumnavigation is to sail around the earth. Circumnavigation means to sail around the earth, to complete the whole round of the earth. Now, Magellan voyage has proved that the earth was round, and his voyage has proved that earth was round and gave an idea about the distribution of land and water on its surface. And they had given the idea that the on the earth there is water is also there, land part is also there. So this idea was given by his Magellan's voyage people. They had concluded these things. I hope you had understood about Ferdinand Magellan. In the next video, we will study about Christopher Columbus. Thank you.